This video was an extremely last minute decision, and I'm gonna clean my room because oh, okay, it's not looking so good. For me, this is bad. This is bad. It is never this messy. There is never that much stuff on the floor. We're gonna tidy it up. I've got laundry to put away. I've got makeup to put away. I need to get rid of my makeup boxes. That's all boxes. I need to put more makeup away, except this has run out of space. What I'm gonna have to end up doing, because I also have some here, is transferring it to here. But I'm gonna make that a video because it'll probably be satisfying. So, in a future video, I plan on moving all of this makeup to those white drawers I have because it's already overflowing and not everything is in there. I'm going to do that as a separate video, but right now I'm going to try and put as much of that makeup that I took out of my drawer as I can into there for now. I'm really gonna break this. Okay, it's going right there for now.
Missing someone with all your own. Missing someone.
So I put all that makeup that didn't fit in my actual drawer in here for now until I move it all into here. Okay, this thing is this. This is going to be going where my current makeup box thing is. I just have some laundry there that I need to fold, and that's mostly all.
And you did it right from the start. And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Finito!
And missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Okay, here's the final product. I have floor now. Also, I know I basically just showed you my room, but if you guys want to see a room tour, I would love to do one, so let me know. So that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and you want to see more videos like this, let me know. Make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and turn on post notifications. Alright, that's all folks. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.
Oh, they think about you.